So today we are going to start with the next chapter, that is chapter 7, which is getting to know with plants. In this chapter, first of all, we are going to learn about the different parts of the plant, where mainly a plant, they can be divided into two systems. One is the root system that is present underground, and the parts that are present above the soil, they are called the shoot system. First of all, we are going to learn about the root system. In the root system, there is a primary root. The main root is known as primary root, and the branches that come out from a primary root, they are called secondary root. You can see over here also I have drawn. There is a main root. From the main root, branches are coming out. They are known as secondary root. From the secondary root, again some branches are coming out. They are known as tertiary root. And this is the root system. But root system can be of a second type. This type of root system is known as tap root system. Okay, it is called tap root, where there is a main root. Here also, and you can see in case of carrot also that I have drawn, there is a main root, and from there the branches, the secondary and tertiary roots are coming out. So there is another type of root that is also called fibrous root. In this case of fibrous root, you can see similar type of roots, thin roots like a bushy mass will come out from the base of the stem. And that type of root is called fibrous root, and that type of root system is known as fibrous root system. Mainly, we should remember that I have written over here, see that pulses are having tap root system. So all the pulses, they are having taproot system, along with, just we have seen now, mango plant, jamun, many other plants, they are having taproot system. And in fibrous root system, this is found mainly in the cereals that you take, like wheat, barley, oat, rice, and corn, or that is maize. They contains this fibrous root system. So you should remember, pulses are having tap root and cereals are having fibrous root. Next, so this is all about your root system. Next, we are going to examine the part that are present above the soil. That is mainly called the shoot system, and they are having different parts. So the main part that is growing up is called the main stem. The main stem can bear branches, they bear leaf, they bear apical bud, they also bear flowers and fruits. So you can see there is some specified region. You can see there is some specified region from where the branches are coming out and the leaves are coming out, birds are coming out. Those points are known as, those regions are written known as nodes. And the place between two nodes, that is, this is a node and this is also a node. And the place between these two nodes is known as internode. Okay, so from these nodes, branches may come out, leaves may come out, and birds may come out. These birds again can give rise to branches, or they can give rise to flower. And flower will get fertilized to form fruits, and inside the fruit also you will get seed. So this is the shoot system. So the part of a plant will generally include two systems. One is the root system and the shoot system.